Solved problems. Trial balance not matching. Generalize the adjustments and match the trial balance. Prepare a revised trial balance. Problem. Please refer to the information below. Generalize and post the transactions to come up with the correct balances. Then prepare the correct trial balance. Account title, debit, credit, cash, 13,000, debit, laundry supplies, 10,750, debit, prepared insurance, 7,000, debit, laundry equipment, 90,000, debit, accumulated depreciation laundry equipment, 18,000, credit, accounts payable, 24,200, credit, Shine capital, 55,100, credit, Shine drawings, 12,000, debit, laundry revenue, 133,000, credit, salaries and wages expense, 40,000, debit, rent expense, 3,000, debit, utilities expense, 25,000, debit, miscellaneous expense, 3,000, debit, total debits, 203,750, total credits, 230,300. So, the trial balance is not matching. The trial balance of Shine Laundry Services of December 31 does not balance because of a number of errors. While comparing the amounts in the trial balance with the ledger, recomputing the balances of the accounts, and comparing the postings with the entries, the errors described below were discovered. A. The balance of cash was overstated by 3,000. B. A return of 750 of defective laundry supplies were erroneously posted as 500 credited to laundry supplies. C. The 30,000 rent expense was erroneously recorded as 3,000. D. The balance of accounts payable was overstated by 800. E. Drawings of 2,000 was not posted. Solution. Workings. The balance of cash was overstated by 3,000. Cash 13,000 less overstated amount 3,000. Cash balance 10,000. Debit. B. A return of 750 of defective laundry supplies were erroneously posted as 500. Laundry supplies 10,750 less difference in returns recorded 750 minus 500 minus 250. The net laundry supplies is 10,500. C. The 30,000 rent expense was erroneously recorded as 3,000. Rent expense recorded 3,000. Add a difference in recording 30,000 minus 3,000. 27,000. Total rent expense was 30,000. Debit. D. The balance of accounts payable was overstated by 800. Accounts payable recorded 24,200. Less overstated amount 800. Net accounts payable is 23,400. Credit. E. Drawing of 2,000 but not posted. Shine drawings 12,000. Add drawings not posted 2,000. Total drawings of Shine 14,000. Debit. Now let us post the adjustments and prepare the adjusted trial balance. Cash 13,000 less 3,000 10,000 debit. Laundry supplies 10,750 minus 250 10,500 debit. Prepared insurance 7,000 no change. Laundry equipment 90,000 debit no change. Accumulated depreciation laundry equipment 18,000 credit 18,000 credit no change. Accounts payable 24,200 minus 800 23,400 credit. Shine capital 55,100 no change 55,100 credit. Drawings 12,000 plus 2,000 14,000 debit. Laundry revenue 133,000 credit no change 133,000 credit. Salaries and wages expense 40,000 debit no change 40,000 debit. Rent expense 3,000 plus 27,000 30,000 debit. Utilities expense 25,000 debit no change 25,000 debit. Miscellaneous expense 3,000 no change debit 3,000. Total debits 229,500. Total credits 229,500. Finally, the adjusted trial balance. Cash debit 10,000. Laundry supplies debit 10,500. Prepaid insurance 7,000 debit. Laundry equipment debit 90,000. Accumulated depreciation laundry equipment credit 18,000. Accounts payable credit 23,400. Shine capital credit 58,100. Shine drawings debit 14,000. Laundry revenue credit 33,000. Salaries and wages expense debit 40,000. Rent expense debit 30,000. Utilities expense debit 25,000. Miscellaneous expense debit 3,000. Total debits 229,500. Total credits 229,500. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.